Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now we're down at the NEC show in Birmingham for the Motorhome and Caravan show. So far it's been a fantastic show, it's been really busy. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the stand. I'm down with David, who's behind the camera today, and we're going to be here for the next couple of days just speaking to customers and showing you guys what we do here at Jerba. So first van we've got down with us is our Cromartie camper van, and it's a long wheelbase camper van, kitchen in the front, big 3-seater rib bed in the back. It's got a pop top roof in it, it's got a roof bed. This one's got big fridge, Wallace hob, the new Wallace hob with the black finish, which is super nice. We've got sink finished in driftwood, so we'll be showing you around this one if you like the Cromartie layout. Particularly popular amongst the dog owners who like that extra 400mm compared to the short wheelbase, because they can get their dog bed in it and it's super comfortable for their dog when they're asleep. So first van. Second van we've got is our Tyree, which is same layout but in a short wheelbase. So we'll just go over here. And you can see that the guys have made a great job with these new little steps in and out of the van this year. Something we noticed last year was that it was quite difficult to jump into a van, so here we are. Tyree, a little bit different from the Cromartie we were just in. We've got fridge and we've got all the other stuff that you would expect from a camper van, but this one has gas, so we'll be able to show you where the gas box is located on these vans. We've really just got something different in every van so we can explain all the options to you. But this one is a big combination sink and double hob, so if you want to see the gas setup, this is the one. And short wheelbase van, 2-seater in the back of this one, so belted seating for 4 in this one, belted seating for 5 in the Cromartie. But we can put the 3-seater in this one, but you'd obviously get a shorter cabinetry on the side here. Last van I'll show you is our Sauna. So if you want to come over. And one thing you don't often see in my videos, our tables all come out the van, and you can use the tripod leg like so with a couple of chairs to get a nice table outside. So this is kind of how that works. But in the Sauna, the Sauna is our living space in the front, kitchen in the rear with a rear elevation roof camper van. And this one's finished in a sand oak, a bit lighter than the other two vans. Again, another really popular choice. This one has 2 single beds fitted, so really popular amongst solo travelers or sort of retired couples. And it also has a roof bed up the top, so if you want to bring the kids or the grandkids in, you can pop that down and you've got loads of space for a couple of kids up there. Now, this one also has Wallace hob. It's got fixed toilet at the back, so if you come round, I'll just show you that. Like I said, we've got fixed toilet in the back just here, so we can show you how that works. That all folds away so you can't see it. We've also got all that headroom in the back here too, so this is where you would stand and you would do, you know, your cooking, your cleaning. So yeah, it's been a fantastic week so far, and we're really excited to see you. If you are coming down, come see me and Dave, say hi, and we'll give you a tour of any of these vans. We're not actively selling any vans that you can drive away today because we have a 22-month lead time for a new van, but we do have this Sauna and the Cromartie I showed you, which are still for sale. There has been some interest, and they are not available for pickup until after our rental season next year, so about 12 months time. So yeah, if you'd like to see them, perfect place to do it. Hopefully we'll see you, and thank you very much.